Well, we're going to put power in from a permanent power meter, which I have right around the edge here, down through the ground here, across my driveway, which you're sitting on top of, and over to a temporary storage location where I have a boat. We're coming up on winter shortly, and I need to be able to put a couple of dehumidifiers inside my boat and a couple of temporary lights in there to make it easier to maintain in the wintertime. Whew. Okay, we have trenched through the driveway. So I picked up after I did a bunch of trenching because, well, trenching for you guys, well, for me, filming is boring. So we did all that trenching. We've got our trenches down to where our power connections will be on both sides for my gate, and then the driveway, and takes it over to the shed. It also lets me put in this 1.5 inches to get through the driveway, which will feed my garden shed down the road. So we got a couple connections to glue together, and we'll throw this conduit in the hole and get it backfilled. First electrical we're going to run are the 110 plugs for each side of the driveway. So I've pre-built these two poles, I'll call them, with a plug box. Base of pole to where they'll be in the ground is 24 inches. So plenty of cover. So let's go get this put in place. That's slightly deceiving because it's on a slope, but it will be under the ground by 24 inches. And the other one goes on this side of the driveway. With those roughly where they belong, go ahead and run the direct burial underground cable from the power source, power panel over that direction to each pole. This is the last power pole we're putting in. We put the two by the driveway. This one will feed power to the dryers that go to the boat this winter. Oh, so it's going to go over here next to this tree. Back out of the way. Alright, with that done, we can get the main power line put in and then backfill all this. before we finish trenching through the driveway, we're going to go ahead and roll up the cable to make sure it's actually the proper length. We're going to roll this stuff out up to the power panel and make sure it's long enough before I rip my driveway up any farther. Okay, now walk. Take those twists out. There you go. This will be terrible, I'm sure.
Should I come the other side now?
Yeah.
Okay, it's out.
Are you pulling?
No?
Well, then start pulling.
Oh my god. Okay.
We are covering up all the trenches at this point. The wires over to the gates for the driveway and also the wire down to the garden shed has been installed. There'll be some follow-up videos on the garden shed and the power and everything else, how that works. But overall, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you got a lot out of this one. And until next time, thanks for watching.